Typing long messages on WhatsApp is kind of annoying, right? But what if I told you you can just talk and your phone will type everything for you automatically? Yep, no more typing, just speaking. Let me show you how. Alright, first things first, go to your Samsung phone settings. Scroll down and tap on General Management. Then go to Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now look for Voice Input. Tap on it. Here, you'll see two options, Samsung Voice Input and Google Voice Typing. You can pick whichever you prefer, but for this tutorial, let's go with Samsung Voice Input. Once that's done, open WhatsApp and go to any chat. Tap on the message box so your keyboard shows up. Now look at the bottom left corner of your keyboard. See that little microphone icon? Tap it. If it asks for permission, just allow it so your phone can access the microphone. When the mic icon turns blue, that means it's ready. Now you just have to say the message you want to send to your friend. Then the voice typing feature will work immediately. And boom, your words will appear as text instantly. When you're done, just tap the microphone icon again to stop it. Super easy, right? No more typing, no more hassle. So next time you're feeling lazy to type, just talk and let your phone do the work. And hey, if this helped you, don't forget to try it out right now and impress your friends with how fast you reply.